Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Aloo Palak. Let's dive right into creating this incredibly flavorful and nutritious Indian dish. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, then move on to the simple cooking steps that bring out the best in both the potatoes and the spinach. By the end, you'll have a delicious meal perfect for any occasion, ready to impress your family and friends with its vibrant taste and aroma. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 medium potatoes, peeled and cut into 1-inch cubes, and 1 large bunch of fresh spinach, thoroughly washed and roughly chopped. For the aromatic base, prepare 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and about 1/2 inch of grated ginger. Don't forget your spices: 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. These fresh components are key to a truly authentic taste. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Next, add your chopped onions, garlic, and ginger, sautéing them until they turn a lovely golden brown, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Introduce the cubed potatoes, cooking them for 10 to 12 minutes until they're tender. Finally, stir in your turmeric and coriander, then add the spinach, cooking until it beautifully wilts, about 3 to 5 minutes. Your delicious Aloo Palak is almost ready. Season it with salt to your preference and a pinch of garam masala for that authentic finish. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves for a burst of color and aroma. This versatile dish pairs perfectly with warm rotis, fluffy naan bread, or a simple serving of steamed basmati rice. For an extra touch of richness, consider stirring in 1 tablespoon of ghee just before serving. Enjoy this comforting and wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.